Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC Sedan. This stylish, prestigious and elegant sedan, with the remainder of its factory warranty, remains one of the best small sport luxury sedans that you can buy. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, paired to a seamless 7-speed automatic transmission, routing power to an all-wheel drive system, delivers unmatched driving dynamics and ride quality in its segment. With famed Benz engineering, luxurious interior and high-tech safety features, this segment-leading Mercedes is worthy of your serious consideration. The cabin is refined, elegant and classy, and enjoys exceptional quality materials with soft-touch surfaces blended with wood and metallic accents. With Bluetooth, navigation, 10-way power front seats, a 7-inch command interface with dial controller, in-car Wi-Fi hotspot, USB and auxiliary audio jacks, a fuel-saving automatic engine stop-start function, dual-zone automatic climate control, a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, driver memory settings and MB-Tech synthetic leather upholstery. The collision mitigation system comes as standard and will brake the car if the driver fails to respond to an imminent collision. This C300 also features Agility Select, which offers 4 drive modes which adjust the throttle, transmission and steering response. The exterior enjoys 17-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights and wipers, and red stripes. The list of additional features is far too extensive to outline in this short video. Please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us for all specifications on this model. We encourage you to come and experience the impressive handling and steering, unmatched ride comfort, and confidence-inspiring driving dynamics of this world-class sedan for yourself. With many Mercedes-Benz in stock and our ability to finance just about everybody, you will learn for yourself just how easy it is to drive, sign, and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.